Hello friends, in the building communication and ventilation topic, we have covered horizontal communication part, that is doors and windows, then lintels and sills. Okay, after that there is next second half from this topic is vertical communication, and for that this is the concept diagram in which here starting from buildings having horizontal and second one is vertical communication, in which this is vertical communication again divides into these parts or these types: stairs, escalators, elevators, ramps. Then staircase again subdivided into two major types based on their shapes and based on the materials used for their construction. So based on the different shapes of the staircase are divided into these types: straight stairs, dog-legged stairs, open-wheel stairs, spiral stairs, quarter-turn stairs, bifurcated stairs, three-quarter turn stairs, and half-turn stairs. Okay, and based on the material used, the stairs are again classified as stone stairs, brick stairs, wooden stairs, metal stairs, and RCC stairs. Okay, so let's see the basically the vertical communication types and purposes. What is meant by vertical communication? Basically, the vertical communication or vertical circulation is how people move up and down. Okay, the movement of people within a building from floor to floor. It may be move from lower to higher or higher to lower. That's why we simply saying here that how people move up and down within the building. So includes things like stairs, lifts, ramps, ladders, and escalators, which allow us to move from one level to another. Okay, provide a means in multi-story buildings for movement of people and goods between floors. Okay, that is the purpose of these communicating members. It offered the means of ascent and descent between the various floors of building. The proper circulation of building is depend on the type of vertical circulation provided, number of units, location, arrangement, and design. Vertical circulation is again classified as progress one level to other or connect and conditions floors. Okay, it includes a ramp, stair, escalators, elevators, and you can clearly see the difference between these types. Ramps, as mentioned in this picture, stairs, escalators, and elevators. Okay, so first of all, we will discuss about the technical terms in staircase. Very important technical terms you must know as a civil engineer from the staircase, and these terms are: firstly, a stair is a set of steps connecting from one floor to the other. Okay, the set of steps is called as stairs. It is provided to afford the means of the ascent and descent between various floors of building. Okay, ascent means lower to higher, and descent means higher to lower floors. Okay, ascending and descending order like that. And these are the technical terms. First, starting from stair, staircase, step, winder, tread, riser, going, landing, headroom, nosing, soffit, west slab, balustrade, balustrade, scotia, handrail, naval post, and run. Okay, these are all technical terms having their particular position and meaning related to this staircase. Okay, let's see the details. Mm, First, staircase. Okay, here from this first diagram you can clearly clarifies the meaning of each and every term. Stairs are steps arranged in series for the purpose of an access from one floor to the other. Okay, stairs means the set of all these terms including these remaining terms. Okay, stairs are the steps arranged in series for the purpose of an access from one floor to the other. Staircase, the room or enclosure of the building in which the stair is located, is known as staircase. Okay, stairway, the opening or space occupied by the stair is known as stairway, the spacing occupied. Okay, rise, it is the vertical distance between the two consecutive steps. The vertical portion of the step is called as rise. Okay, this rise here. Then tread, the horizontal portion of the step is called as tread here. Tread, the horizontal distance between two consecutive risers is called going or run. Okay, going or run. It is the horizontal portion this here going. Nosing, it is the front edge of the tread which projects beyond the riser, and that is nosing here. Just see in the diagram for your clarification. Then winders, they are tapering steps used for changing direction of stairs. That are the winders. Then next term, railing. This is a molded block of wood or some other material provided to afford assistance and safeguard to persons while going on to the stairs. The height of the railing should be nearly 75 centimeter above the line of nosing. Okay, it should be about 75 centimeter, that means this distance. Okay, balusters, these are short vertical members which support the hand railing. Okay, just see the diagrams for each term, you will clear about that term. These are the baluster. Okay, balustrade, the composite member consisting of a handrail, balusters, naval post is called as balustrade. Okay, balustrade. The naval post, these are principal balusters used at top and bottom of the flight. They are called as naval post. Naval post are the, these are nothing but balusters, but they are principal members. That means the baluster provided at the starting and at the end of the flight, that is called as naval post. Okay, at the top and bottom of the flight. That principal or major two balusters are called as naval post. Okay. Scotia block. It is a triangular wooden block used below the nosing to give it additional strength. Soffit. It is the under surface of stair. Soffit. Here it is the under surface of stair. Then next again some important terms are pitch or slope. Okay, it is the angle between the line of nosing of the stair makes with the horizontal. Okay, simply this means this is our slope or pitch. Okay, horizontal to the incline, that pitch or slope. Strings or stringer. These are the sloping members which support the steps in stairs and run along the slope of stair. Then run it the total length of strain in the horizontal plane including landing. Then headroom, it is the minimum clear vertical distance between the tread above overhead structure, that is called as headroom. And flight, a series of steps without platform or landing or break in direction, that is called as flight. Okay, a series of steps without landing or without any break, that is called as single flight. Then some requirements of a good staircase, that means how should be our staircase. It should be located centrally, so easily accessible from every corner of the building. Light and proper ventilation should be there. Then there is some width restrictions, width of the stair. The usually adopted average value of the stair width for public and residential building is 1.8 meter and 90 centimeter respectively. That means for public buildings the width should be about 1.8 meter, and for a residential building it should be around 90 centimeter. Okay, width. Then length of flight, the number of steps in flight should be restricted to a maximum of 12 and a minimum of 3. Okay, number of steps. The number of steps in a single flight should be restricted to maximum number of steps in the single flight should be 12, and there should be minimum 3 in number. Okay, then pitch of the stair, that we already defined. The slope of the stair should never exceed 40 degree and not be flatter than 25 degree. Okay, it is only up to degree and not Celsius, as it is the angle, not temperature. Okay, the slope of the stair should never be exceed, that means our pitch or slope in case of stair should be within a range of 25 degree to 40 degree. Okay, headroom, the headroom of the flight immediately above it should not be less than 2.14 meter. Okay, this is the height of headroom. Material, it should be strong, durable and stiff. The material by which stair is constructed should possess fire resisting qualities. Okay, and landing, the width of the landing should not be less than the width of the stair. At least the width of landing should be as that of stair. Okay, landing means the portion from at which we change the flight. Okay, that portion is the landing. Handrail, it should be provided with handrails at proper height. Okay, then thumb rules for good staircase: the proportion of tread and riser. The size of tread and riser varies with the situation of the stair and purpose for which it has to be provided. In general, the following thumb rules are considered. First, going in centimeter plus 2 times rise in centimeter should be 60. Going plus rise both in centimeter, and that should be is equal to 400 to 410 approximately. Okay, here instead of plus there should be multiplication sign. Adopt the standard size going and rise as 30 centimeter and 14 centimeter respectively for each 25 mm deducted from going and 12 to 13 mm to rise. Then step proportions, the rise and trade of each step in stair should be of uniform dimensions throughout. Riser height, the height of the riser should not be more than 20 centimeter. Okay, it should be less than 20 centimeter. Winder step as far as possible should be avoided. Okay, so this much is for today's lecture. We will see the types of staircase in the next video. Thank you.